Today we're doing a loaded baked potato soup. You've all had them fancy loaded baked potatoes at the steakhouses? Well, we're gonna make it in a soup today so you can enjoy it at any time, and it's gonna be better than that loaded baked potato you had. Now, we're gonna use some of my favorite ingredients. Bacon! We are gonna cook a pound of bacon. Make it all nice and crispy. Start off at medium heat. Stir it around. We're going to render all that fat off and make it crispy and delicious. After we render the fat out of that, we're going to clarify our onions, bacon onions, add a little garlic just for that flavor, and about a quarter stick of butter for that mouth feel to go when we make that gravy. So here we go. No sense of you watching me cook the onions, so through the magic of camera vision here, we're going to render down this bacon. Our bacon is crispy. Now we got to get this bacon out of this hot oil and start clarifying our onions. What's a good thing to do with it? We're going to grab it with one of them Asian spiders. Now, I want you all to look down in the bottom of that pan, see all that caramelization. That's called font or pan goodness. That's what you want, that's flavor. Now, we're going to clarify our onions. What do you put in bacon and onions? Garlic. Another aromatic. What's aromatic mean? Smells good. And now, guess what we need more of? Fat. A little butter. Melt the butter down. All right, now we're going to turn this into a roux. Add a little flour, stir, 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 stir. Wow, look at that, pre-cooked flour. Now, look down at that color. Look at that color. The roux's already done. Normally, for the next 5 or 10 minutes, I would be manipulating that roux. Okay, next thing we need some fluid to make the soup. So we're gonna start off with 4 cups of chicken broth. Then 4 cups of whole milk. Not that 2% stuff. We're making soup. We're making chowder. We want some thick, right? And then all of us who know better, a cup of heavy cream. And then we add our taters. Now I pre-cut the taters, and you put them in water not to draw the starch out, but to keep them from going brown. There we go. And what do we do now? We got to bring that sucker up to a boil. Keep stirring a little bit, and this is we just want to get this on a low boil for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients and simmer. All right, our loaded baked potato soup been going about 20 minutes. Got a little thicker, but we want a little more thicker than that. You're going to add some cornstarch? Why? You have potato starch right here. Take your immersion blender and just do a little bit because you want some of those potatoes left. And wow, it's thickening up already. What do you put in loaded baked potatoes? Cheddar cheese. Oh my God, what else do they put on? Sour cream. Now, I'm going to put in things people most normally do, because I always do. Corn will add some sweetness. Got to put most of our bacon back in. Now, secret ingredient, hot chili powder. Yeah, it's just that little warmth, a little color. Won't be hot, rest of that chili, need some salt and some pepper. All right, let's give it a try now. We've added our cheese, our sour cream, our corn, our bacon. That is just delicious. All right, let's get a bowl up. Oh, look at that. Chunks of potatoes, bacon, corn. Cheese. This is Brad the Kitchen Guy with loaded baked potato soup. Oh, just looking at that makes me hungry. And it's gonna be hot. Oh, the bacon and the cream and the cheese, the onions. That is good. That is good. Like, subscribe, share. Remember, cook this how you want it. It's your kitchen, you're in charge. And now we're taking the give and take of our department. I want to know what you guys want to see me make next. Brad makes it better, so whatever you tell me to do, I'm going to do it better. You want to see me do a Chick-fil-A? I'll do a Chick-fil-A. You want to see me do a Wendy's? I'll do a Wendy's. You're going to see a Taco Bell? We do Taco Bell. And of course, my favorite is Olive Garden. So, what you want, I'll cook. Mention it down below. Thank you.